How to delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can delete suggested email addresses in Gmail. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's begin. First, let's open up the Gmail app and make sure you're logged in into your account. Then after you start composing an email, tap on compose email right here. You'll see suggestions like this. Whenever you start typing, you'll find suggestions pop up like this. Now what we want to do is remove the suggestions. And it's quite simple. What you'll have to do is tap on your profile icon on the top right. Tap on manage your Google account. After you tap on manage your Google account, what you'll then need to do is just head over to your contacts. So search for contacts on the top search bar here. You'll find the search option. Search for contacts, and there you should see contacts. Open it up, and you'll find all of your contacts right here. So all you have to do is delete those contacts. You can select the contact here and tap on the delete option. Tap on move to bin, and now the suggestions should go away as well. You can remove other contacts as well. It's completely up to you which contact you want to remove. And yeah, now if you go back to your search bar, compose, you won't find that very contact as a suggestion. And it's that simple, guys. That's how you delete email suggested email addresses in Gmail. Thanks for watching. I think that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.